Very good morning, friends and traders. I'm welcoming to my channel Smart Index Edge. Actually, I took the reversal trade instead of the PE trade. I'm on the 65-minute chart, and this is second 65-minute, and then third one is 11:15 65-minute chart. And if I see this is the level of the manipulative level from where market has fallen. I've enabled the indicator. I've given it to many people as free Nalini EMA indicator. That indicator gives, in that indicator, it gives previous week high, previous day high, previous week low, and previous day low. Actually, what happened, I was clearly observing this. This is previous week high. Let me write down this. Previous week high. I was sure that market will try to uh, take support around this. That's why I didn't go short for the first. If I would have taken short BTST, I would have gone short. But if you go there, these are the cusp previous week low and previous week high. Let me mark this. This is previous week low from where the market had gone down, and this is previous week high. So that's why this was the level, and my EP indicator was plotting EP, bullish EP. Then from there, bullish EP was there. From there, transition to the downside, and the market gapped up. So retesting of this level, market will try to reverse. That was my assumption. And now price has entered into the previous day low. See, first it made an attempt around 10:20 candle, 65 minutes candle, and consistently trading inside the previous day candle. And this is the manipulation level. So let me enable now. Let me go to, let me change the time frame to 15 minutes. No, sorry. Let me change the time frame to 15 minutes. Yeah, 15 minutes, and you can see this is the consolidation box. Market is trying to go near the consolidation box. Now I will enable my POC indicator. If I enable the POC indicator, let me take out the option zone. Let me take out this. Only one I will keep. I'll take out the only one plot I will keep, two plots I will keep, okay. Background I will remove, and price is consistently trading above the option zone. And the point of control on the weekly, from where market has fallen down, this is the point of control, POC. POC here. And what are all the things I saw before taking any trade? I'll enable the rolling pivot also. Rolling pivot, just go to the see minor things. I'll tell you the minor things. First, you need to see. Let me go to 5 minutes. When the market started consolidating over here, I observed so many things. I didn't take trade because all were sell signals. There was no buy signal. Okay, this is the candle. This is the candle which showed neutrality. Why neutrality? Above the pivot, this is the pivot. It crossed the pivot, and then it started. There is no signal on this candle. If you carefully see, no sell signals or buy signals here. This is the neutral candle indicating, and constantly this was the level. Market was establishing point of control over here. Now it has plotted. The price has moved without the increase in the point of control. Probably it has not built the value. Probably it is an imbalance, fallen imbalance without any balance value. Point of control has not increased, but the value area high is moving up. Price is above the value area high, and price is above the rolling pivot, the yellow color line, and price is above the previous day low. Price has entered into the previous day low. Now we need to see it is from where the market has turned around. It may face resistance. It has crossed the pre-market opening bell, opening 25,605. It made a high of 25,642. This is a recovery. Now it may start coming down. These are the signs. If I go to the 25,400 call option, that was very beautiful. You can see over here 25,400 call option. I traded that 25,400 call option. See, the market was coming down, rolling pivot is on, and here itself I saw one neutral candle. No, it is a sell candle here. Here I am seeing a neutral candle over here. Neutral candle from 187 to 201. But I took the trade very early because I started seeing market holding this level. You can see market price getting rejected from this level and the point of control. This was the liquidity sweep. It made a low point of control and it took the liquidity sweep and closed inside. So I entered around 175. It comes with practice, friends, actually. And I saw a box is forming value. It was very volatile. It was like this, but it started consolidating in this area beneath the option zone. Then I considered for going entering into the call option. So you can see what are all the things I saw on the underlying. Let me go to the underlying. This is showing call option. Okay. Let me go to the Nifty chart. Now it is showing rejection from here because it has entered into the option zone from where sellers have dominated from here. That's why you are seeing initial reaction of rejection from there. We need to see whether if it retraces back and if it starts getting rejected there, yes, some sort of intraday correction you can see in the market. So now bullish EP is forming, but we need to see this is the last bullish EP and the last bullish EP. Below this sellers were dominant. Below this sellers were dominant. I need to watch very carefully this level 25,642. And the next level of point of control is over here, and the market has consolidated for on 4th throughout the day, and this was the consolidation box. Market had fallen, consolidated again. It can trap this also, this level. It can go past this level to test the 25,752 also. But for that it takes time. It has to come back, retrace back, and it has to build momentum because the point of control has not at all increased. Price has moved without the a single point of control movement. Here, price had accepted every candle you are seeing while coming down, every candle, the point of control coming down along with it, and it started stabilizing. That was the area I knew that bearish sheepy were forming. Last bearish sheepy, I started noting the from here the bearish sheepy mark this level 25,534, that is the last bearish sheepy in this time zone. So when the price started crossing this, that is also another strategy. You can learn that, you can do that. Many people are having this indicator, EP indicator, intraday EP, 15-minute hourly EP indicator they are having. They can take the advantage of it. If you start analyzing the chart, analyze with the help of my indicators, you get clarity. Clarity, not only clarity, you will not be under confusion. You will not act on every silly green cal. I didn't act on this because sell signals are there. Even on the green candle, sell signals are there and bearish EP is forming. How can you act on this? Only when it's, you see, this candle has got something. It has taken the bearishness of all these three candles and it is popping up. So it indicated something, though you can see it is coming and getting accepted, and the next candle moving away from the point of control. That itself is a confirmation. You could have traded, you could have taken reversal trade confirmation. So this call option from 100 and it went up to 171, it rallied up to, can you believe friends, 288. So option buyers can also make money if they time the market. Timing is very important. Timing timing the market with the help of the indicators and clarity, that is very important for an option buyer. That's what I'm showing it to you. Actually, since I took the trade, I could not record live. Only after finishing my trade I started recording it. So I felt this is it, because it was reaching the resistance. I closed my trade and I started trading. Recording the video. This is for your educational, how you can trade properly, so beautifully, price climbing above the value area high, and this price from 187 moving away from the point of control, that itself says it has been accepted, and the price has been accepted. Once it started crossing the value area high, this yellow color, the market, that is initiative buying had started from the big money. Smart money started initiative buying. Smart money sold to the support. I showed you what was the support, and now the market is stalling near the previous sell area, bearish EP, from where it has triggered, sell has triggered. If it starts, this is the previous day low. If it starts closing inside, you can consider pullback again. Market can reverse and come back again. It may give you some sort of discount. The two-way trades you can anticipate for the market. Thank you very much, friends. Nalnakshi Swami signing off. This is the explanation of how you can take the trade. See, every day, this is the setup. If you get this setup, don't leave it. Thank you very much. Nalnakshi Swami signing off.